Hello everyone, I am Tukkagiri. Welcome to channel Cadd+Theory. In the last video, we will discuss about definition of volume. Today, we will discuss about volume of the cube. Cube has all sides are equal lengths. To find the volume of the cube, we need to multiply by length into width into height. So that is A into A. Here in the bracket, that is cross section area, and here length of the cube. So finally we get V equals to A cube. Units is cubic centimeter. By using this equation, we will get volume of the cube. Let's see theoretically and in the CAD tool what value we will get. As we discussed earlier, let's see volume of the cube in the CAD tool. So selecting the top line and sketching a cube, giving dimension 50 mm. That means 5 centimeter. Let's convert to CJ system. Let's edit sketch. We got 5 mm here and 5 mm. Height is extrude bus and give height is 5 mm. So we got cube and it has all sides are equal. Here 5 mm, height is 5 mm, width is 5 mm and length is 5 mm. Let's see what value we got. Just going to evaluate and selecting mass property. So here we got volume is 125 cubic centimeter. Let's see theoretically. So what is the equation? That is V equals to A cube. That is height. We need to multiply by height into width into length. Let's see what value we got. So that is height is 5 centimeter into width is 5 centimeter into length is 5 and equals to. So we got 125. So same value we got in the CAD and theoretically. If so, note this value volume of the cube. We got 125 cc. So if we have a cutout here, that is same cube cut, the length is different one. Let's see what value we got. I'm going to sketch on this surface. Selecting this surface, same. Here I'm giving 2.5 centimeter and here also 2.5 centimeter. We got same here also. And using extrude cut to remove the material from this cube. I'm giving true all. Okay. So we got cut out here. See here. So let's see how much value we got this type of cube. So again going to evaluate mass property. We got 93.75. Let's find out theoretically. So before cut we got 125 cc. So we need to subtract this cutout in the total volume of the cube. Okay, let's see what value we got. So we given 2.5 length into width is 2.5, that is length and width length, and height is same 5 centimeter. We got 31.25. Okay, remember this 31.25. Clearing this, and before what is the complete volume of the cube before cut? 125. What value we got now? 31.25 after cut. Only I'm calculating only cutout. Only cutout I'm calculated before, that is 31.25. Let's subtract this value in the total volume of the cube. How much we got? We got that 93.75. So here also we got same value, 93.75. So if you like this content, please subscribe the channel and like the video and share. Thank you.